Hey there TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the RhinestoneWorld.com, and this is tutorial number 106 for the TRW Stone Wizard version 3.0, the font selection window button. So that's going to be located right in the top left corner of the TRW Stone Wizard version 3.0, and one of my favorite features that we added for the 3.0. So before, you used to have to go to the Fonts tab, which would take you out of the wizard editing buttons and basically the interface to be able to use the wizard. So what we decided to do to make it even more user-friendly than it's been is right up here at the top you'll see click to expand font section. So if I click on this, it actually expands to our font selection window. So this is where we can search all of our fonts. We can do our font preview. We can have all of our favorite fonts up here. And then we also have different font editing features inside of it as well, which make it awesome. So check this out. I have baseball right here. I want to change that to an impact font. I just type in IMP. There's impact. Now I can still work on my editing. So text spacing, more, less. Click on text spacing, more, less, whatever I want. See, very easy to use when our font window is open here. Well, what I can also do is right here, I have my edit text dialog. So if I want to pull that up, I just hit on E, and that's going to bring up my edit text dialog right here to be able to type whatever I want. If I wanted this to be football, just type football and hit OK, and it changes to football. All right, next one I have is uppercase. Maybe I wanted this all uppercase and I typed it in lowercase. Well, I don't want to have to click on it, hit caps lock, and type out uppercase. I just come up here and hit U for uppercase. Now it's all uppercase. All lowercase, I'll hit the L. Now it's all lowercase. If I want it to be title case, meaning a capital F and then lowercase rest, I just hit T for title case, and now it's uppercase F and lowercase rest. And then we also have our two color magic text here. And so if I were using, let's say, for example, the TRW 45, which is, I know, one of our cool TRW two color rhinestone fonts, I hit 2, and there's my two color rhinestone font. Want the text to be a little bit closer together? I can just tighten up the text right there while I have my font window open. Pretty nice, huh? If I want to make it SS10s, I can change it to SS10s while my font window is open right here. So now what we can do is we can actually go in and change to vertical text as well. So let me bring this back here. And if I have football right here, I can go to uppercase, and then I can click on V for vertical, and it's going to bring it to a vertical text. Hit vertical again, it'll bring it back to a horizontal text. And then one more feature I have right here in our basic editing tools is our B, which is break artistic text. This one's pretty cool because what we can do with this, if we wanted to, let's just say we're using a collegiate black or a college black font, okay? We can tighten up our spacing a little bit. All right, we got our spacing all tightened up. And then we wanted the word Mustangs. So let's go to edit and we'll type out Mustangs and hit OK. Now if I click this break, what it does is it breaks each individual letter apart, but you can still type with it if you want as well, which is pretty cool. But what I could also do with that is I could grab this M and I could just make the M a little bit bigger. I could make the S a little bit bigger. How cool is that? Great looking design right there. Then I could add Lakewood Ranch or whatever I want to this and give it a very cool look. So if I wanted to, I could bring this down in here. I could type out Lakewood Ranch. I could fit that perfectly right in between the M and the S here. And now we have a pretty cool looking design right there, right? Just using a few of our editing features here in our font selection window. So that is our font selection window for the TRW Stone Wizard version 3.0. If you do have any questions about it, make sure to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. This is Matt with the rhinestoneworld.com, and you guys all have a great day.